If CapCut is lagging, freezing, or just feeling slow, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few quick fixes that can make a big difference right away. These steps are simple, safe, and perfect if you want smoother editing without needing to reinstall the app or change your whole workflow. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tips and fixes. Let's jump in. First, open CapCut and look for the settings icon, which is usually the gear icon. Click that and then go to the performance section. This is where CapCut lets you control a few important settings that can help reduce lag while editing. Once you're inside performance, look for the options that say speed up hardware encoding and speed up hardware decoding. Turn those on by checking the boxes. Hardware acceleration helps CapCut use your device's graphics and processing power more efficiently, which can improve playback, preview speed, and overall editing performance. If these options were off before, turning them on may immediately make the app feel much smoother. Now let's move on to the second fix, which is clearing the cache. Over time, CapCut can store temporary files that build up and slow things down. To clear that out, go to Menu, then open Settings again, and find the cache size option. Depending on your version of CapCut, you may see a Clear Cache button or a similar option next to it. Click it to remove those unnecessary files. This won't delete your projects, but it can free up space and help CapCut run more efficiently. If you've been editing for a while and noticed the app getting slower over time, clearing the cache is one of the easiest fixes you can try. After that, the final step is to fully restart CapCut. Don't just minimize it. Make sure you close the app completely and then reopen it. Sometimes changes like hardware acceleration don't fully kick in until the app has been restarted. A full restart also clears out minor temporary glitches that may be causing lag in the first place. Once CapCut opens again, go back to your project and test it by scrubbing through the timeline, previewing clips, and checking whether the lag has improved. If the app still feels a little slow, give it a moment after reopening, especially if your project is large or has a lot of effects, transitions, or high-resolution clips. But in many cases, just enabling hardware acceleration, clearing the cache, and restarting the app is enough to fix the most common CapCut lag problems. So to quickly recap, go to Settings, open Performance, turn on hardware encoding and decoding, clear the cache from the Settings menu, and then restart CapCut completely. Those 3 steps are the fastest way to improve performance and get back to smooth editing. If this video helped fix your CapCut lag issue, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.